guys, it's Briar back with another video. Today I'm going to be playing with my little cars. I got a Ford pickup. It's okay.
Brother.
What?
We're supposed to be collabing.
Okay.
A YouTuber's collab.
I got a Jeep Wrangler. Pretty nice.
We're gonna be doing Don't Forget the Lyrics. Yeah.
And then I got a Lamborghini. It's okay. I got Mustang. It's beautiful. And then I also got a little Pontiac. And then I got a Dodge. Pretty sweet, isn't it? Dodges roll. I got this trailer. I'll show you what it goes to in just a second. I got another trailer. I'll show you what it goes to in just a second. And what it goes to is this Dodge. It has a hook like that. That's where those go into. It got a hook right there. It goes to that trailer. This is a Corvette. This goes to that Dodge that I just had. And then it also goes to this truck. So, I got a lot more cars, but sometimes it takes a while to go through all my cars because I got a lot. So, I want you guys, go down in the description below, like the video, and tell me what wait, time out. Got 5 seconds. 5 to go down there and describe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, done.
Can you be any louder?
Well, I guess you guys should go down there, describe what should I do next, and like the video. Have a good day.